Cable and Post Shade Net House. History of Cable and Post Shade Net House. In year 2010, lots of wine purpose plantation was failed. Farmers were moving towards erection of local shade net houses. At that time, few farmers contact us in search of good quality shade net house structures. By the demand from farmers, we contact several Israel and European companies. Israel company, P. Moram explains us Israel's shade net house technology. In year 2010, we imported India's first cable and post shade net house with the help of Sahyadri Farms. Israel technician arrive in India for structure erection support. We train our staff and erection team under guidance of Israel technician. At that time project is also supported by National Horticulture Board. For study purpose of cable and post structure we visit Israel. Theme of cable and post shade net is similar to suspension bridge technology. GI poles are supported by tension cables and load of structure is transmitted from one cable to another. With the help of this technology it is possible to erect long span structures with minimum GI column supports. Structural design of cable and post shade net house. Three types of GI pipes are used in structure. 2-inch heavy C-class pipes at all corners, 2-inch medium B-class pipes at periphery and 2-inch lighter class pipes at internal of structure. Corner poles are supported by 4 anchor foundations and periphery poles are supported by 2 anchor foundations. Interlinking of GI pipes is provided by 6 mm GI hot deep steel core wire rope. Foundation of structure for anchor foundation pit of size 0.3 by 0.3 by 1 meter is excavated. Anchor and hold fast is placed into pit and excavated pit is filled with cement, concrete and stones. For corner and periphery pipe foundation pit of size 0.45 by 0.45 by 0.30 meter is excavated and J-pin is placed into pit and excavated pit is filled with cement, concrete and stones. For internal pipes pit of 0.45 by 0.45 by 0.60 meter is excavated. GI pipe half meter is placed into pit and excavated pit is filled with cement, concrete and stones. Cladding materials of structure. At top layer of structure monofilament net, insect net or tape net are used. Types of net depends on type of crop and climatic conditions of site. At side insect net an additional taper net is used to take control over insects and sunrays. At bottom of structure woven fabric is installed to optimize carbon effect into structure. Due to woven fabric carbon dioxide level is increases in net house, which is helpful for plants growth. Structural advantages. It is first net house structure in India whose structural analysis is done on most advanced ANSYS CAD software. Analysis includes wind load analysis, crop load analysis, hail load analysis and bending analysis of GI pipes. Custom design structure for irregular farm shapes to optimum use of field. Made of ISI GI pipes and hot deep GI steel core wire ropes. Designed to meet international standards, withstand wind speed up to 120 km per hour. Crop protection from high radiation, strong wind and hailstorm. Maintenance cost of cable and post net house is much lesser than pipe net house and polyhouse structures. Structure has highest net fitting strength than any other structures. We use self-locking HDPE net fixing pins for fastening a net. Due to self-locking HDPE pins load carrying capacity of structure increases. Picture shows heavy hailstorm over the structure and movement of person over shade net for cleaning purpose. With wider span, 6 meter by 8 meter and 5 meter by 8 meter, and due to 4 meters height, intercultivation operations become easy by tractor. Cost per acre of cable and post structure starts from 8.5 lakhs which is much lesser than cost of pipe net house which is 18 lakhs and cost of polyhouse structure which is 40 lakhs. Structural stability analysis is done on most advanced ANSYS CAD software. Analysis includes wind load analysis up to 200 km per hour. Crop load analysis up to 25 kg per square meter. Hail load analysis of structure and bending analysis of GI pipes. High hailstorm is enough to damage crops. To avoid this we build a stronger structure which will stand in any natural condition. Our structure is already designed to withstand 120 km per hour wind velocity. And we had experience of hailstorming at various regions on our structure, as shown in photograph. We tested our shade net structure under hail load, in which 110 kg hail on top of structure, there is no any damage caused to structure. Test shows satisfactory results on which our structure seems stronger than any other structures. Retractable nets downgrades temperature around 10 degrees Celsius in net house. It is very effective technique to control high radiation temperature under net house. Retraction speed of net is less than a minute.
जहाँ पे ब्लैक नेट नहीं है उधर का सॉइल टेम्परेचर कितना है? 45 है। और उधर ब्लैक नेट की ज़्यादा शेड। इधर भी देखते हैं हम थोड़ा। ये भी ठीक है, इरिगेशन एरिया है, इधर भी इरिगेशन तो चालू है, 41 है, मगर ब्लैक नेट शेडिंग है इधर। वाइट प्लाइस तो बहुत है यार। देखो कितना है डिफरेंस, 10 डिग्री, ऑलमोस्ट 10 डिग्री।
Trellising support system. Structure have its self-crop supporting system. 3 mm and 2 mm hot deep galvanized steel core wire ropes are used for trellising. No additional bamboos, stakes, wooden bully wires are required to support crop. Polytunnels are made with galvanized iron framework. It maintains temperature at night, protects seedlings and plants from rainfall. In daytime, polyfilm will be raised by handle to provide sufficient light to seedlings and plants. It is effective technique to grow quality seedlings and plants. Crops under net house are cucumber, capsicum, orchid, strawberry, tomato, beetle leaf, fenugreek, spinach, lettuce, coriander, red cabbage, pak choy, taro leaves, Chinese cabbage, broccoli, red lady finger, blueberries, etc. Comparative of Jaihind net house and other pipe net house. Cost per acre of Jaihind net house is Rs 8,50,000 onwards and cost per acre of pipe net house is Rs 16,50,000 onwards. At top of structure in Jaihind net house we use monofilament or insect net with 5 years UV degradation warranty. In periphery of net house we use insect net 40 mesh with 5 years UV degradation warranty. At periphery we use additional tape net which is laid over insect net to control high radiation coming from side inclination. At bottom of structure HDPE woven plastic film 140 GSM is installed due to this carbon dioxide level in structure gets increase, helps for growth of plants. In Jaihind net house for fitting of nets we use HDPE net fixing pins and HDPE wire. Due to self-locking HDPE pins load carrying capacity of structure increases. In Jaihind net house we use 2-inch GI pipes having wall thickness 4.5 mm for corner poles, 2-inch GI pipe having wall thickness 3.6 mm for peripheral poles, 2-inch GI pipe having wall thickness 2.9 mm for internal poles and in pipe net house thickness of pipes is only 2 mm. Grid size of Jaihind net house is 6 by 8 meter, 6 by 9 meter and 5 by 8 meter. Due to larger grid size intercultivation operation become easy with tractor. In pipe shade net grid sizes are 6 by 4 meter and 6 by 6 meter. For interlinking of pipes we use 6 mm hot deep steel core wire rope. We provide 1 meter deep dual anchor foundation for corner and peripheral poles. Wind withstand capacity of Jaihind net house is up to 120 km per hour and wind withstand capacity of pipe net house is 105 km per hour. Additional crop trellising system cost in Jaihind net house is around 20 rupees per square meter and in pipe net house trellising system cost comes around 35 rupees per square meter. List of our some completed projects. Vinayak Farm, located in Rajasthan area of net house is 24 acres. Mahaiko Seeds area of net house is 15.46 acres. Sahyadri Farms, area of net house is 8 acres. Varahi Farms, area of net house is 5.5 acres. Madhuban Nursery, area of net house is 5 acres. Rise and Shine Nursery area of net house is 3.25 acres. Delhi Gymkhana Club, the site is located near Prime Minister's house. Structures for research at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Narayangaon and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Baramati. Vinayak Farm area of net house is 24 acres, 97,104 square meter. Mahaiko Seed area of net house is 15.46 acres, 62,559 square meter. Sahyadri Farms area of net house is 8 acres, 32,368 square meter. Varahi Farms area of net house is 5.5 acres, 22,253 square meter. Madhuban Nursery area of net house is 5 acres, 20,230 square meter. Our prestigious clients. For more information visit www.jayahindagro.com.